gonna go
Excuse
in
me.
now. Okay, after this.
Artists that I'm a fan of and people that are fans of, I want to come with records that's just undeniable.
Yeah.
And when I push play, not only if you got love for me, but if the music's undeniable, it's on.
Well, DJ Khaled, everything you do is undeniable. Good luck with your
Thank you
performance
so much.
tonight.
Thank
Thank you
you
so much for.
Be in front of me though.
What up?
What up?
Everything. I love listening to you. Oh my God.
That's right, you see it? Another one. Get your voice out, come on. Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, and 3.
Get your voice out, come on. Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Got it.
Another one.
Also, speaking of epic duos, we're celebrating an anniversary here. And then tonight. And then tonight.
Kodak Black.
And Billboard Music Award goes to...
chance to think about what social really means for us. And some of our fans told us that our music really changed their lives. And now we realize that our